Hey guys, I'm back. Part two: creation ideas for your morning message. Creation ideas for your morning message. And in the last session, we basically went over how to create an accountability chart. Students' absence, presence. The kids can drag it over. They can write it over. Part two: we're gonna practice creating something like this in less than 5 minutes. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna hit the add page sign icon. Basically, if I want the lines in the background, that's called a background. So I would take my mouse and click on the tab over here that looks like a picture frame and do a search for line paper. Type in line paper up here and hit search. Okay, so what shows up? As you can see, I have a couple of choices to pick from. But if I pick on backgrounds, that's where you want to go. Pick on backgrounds. You pick a background that you like. So basically, let's click on line paper. Large line paper. So once you double click on it, so again, you can double click on it and that will be your new background. So great. So what else do we need? This is text. Tomorrow will be, today is, they are blank students in school today. Great. So how's this work? The kids come over here. Tomorrow's Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Today is it's writing here, 100th day of school, and they are 15 kids in my class today. So that's how this routine would work. You would pick a child that would come up, either do all 5 or pick up however you want to do it, but that's how this exercise will work. So let's get to it. Back to our background. So basically, you need text. Now I can type the text out. Of course, you have to know what you want to type, but for the sake of this I'm going to copy the text. So I can select it all, hit my little best friend. This is my little best friend, folks. I will say that 10,000 times until you get it. So click on my little best friend, hit copy, go to my new page, right click, hit paste. So voila, it's there. Now, keep in mind, as we do this, I'm going to show you little tips and tricks. If I wanted to resize this, all I would have to do is group it together. Then I can resize it together. Okay, so I have that. Go back. I need the days of the week, so I do the same thing. Take the select key. Now, how come I can't select this? Because the infinite cloner is on. Okay, so you have to turn off the infinite cloner on each, which I know you remember. So I will show you how to turn it back on and what to do when you do that. Okay, so now that I have turned the infinite cloner off, I highlight everything, hit my little best friend, hit copy, go over here, right click paste, and I have it together, hit my little best friend, hit group, so I can resize it if I need to. Okay, and that's that. So now I want to actually ungroup this. Why? Because now I want to turn the infinite cloner back on. So again, I highlight everything, click on the infinite cloner here, folks. Do you see it? I know you see it. And now each one of these is cloned infinitely. I always wanted to say that. So what else do we need? Basically, that's it in a nutshell, in less than 5 minutes. But some things you want to keep in mind, that this object is still moving. So how do we stop it from moving? How do we stop it from moving? Basically, we lock it in place. Great answer. Lock it in place. So now we can go and interact with the board. I hope that helps. And now it's your turn. Talk to you. Bye.